Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Endra, ye the breaking news bremo say court just say assembly e wo court obi nim e de asem court say ye nhwe asem ni mu nhwe emu nokre na court no enhu ne say da bi asem no de ye de obi nim na enye in a sense say obi nim any Ghana Revenue Authority tax liability of close to 1.6 million Ghana cedis ye de abo obi nim so say nankobontua na enumu ena Ghana Revenue Authority womo ye se womo movie ana womo jiska no efree eye obinim ne bankers eye Ecobank na obi bebisa se na eno no emra ema ho kwan na yes se tax ewo ho na wo pese obetua GRF womo betumi aye se womo sika no efree wo bank account mo. So that was what they were going to do to obinim omo hwe ne bank account ewo Ecobank no. Na esi sano na obinim ye na adwen se da bi o de asem no be court na court ahwe asem no ediama na de GR4 ye no enye de GR4 ye no enye it is not right nti ade a obinim e de court no your friend judicial review endra me hu se na ebimo ebe trotro nsem e wo me we na say the explanation I gave for judicial review almost say da bi judicial review say court emma ruling wie answer na o person the call for say obi betray bibia asesa but you see the context in which we are speaking on and say GR4 ehun said they had the right to go and take the money from Obinim's account. Obinim felt said that action is not right until Obinim at the court and him say court in shemu na court in when they said wonu Obinim no ade aye did na enye. So that was the judicial review I was explaining. Inti omo ana no monti ase no I was explaining I was actually explaining it in context of Obinim case no. So I don't see why you'd actually not understand the judicial review thing. Anyway, let's move on. Inti no e ba sa no ena ye nia yete ye court throw Obinim asem out. Say wo hwe de ba ya GR4 SNE notice Emma Obinim the first time when fee yes also sending notice man when free wo twen ya Emma GR4 your margin so okay the deadline no Obinim nankasa mba nti wo mo ko yi scan if Obinim account mu ansa na Obinim dey asem no court inti court na say da bi ono de the GR4 ye no wo mo nko so anye inti indirectly obi beka say yama Obinim ana yama court kwan yama sorry GR4 no kwan say wo mo nji scan if Obinim ho ana Obinim enkonko tiasa 1.6 million Ghana cedis no. So a lot of people a lot of websites I saw City FM, Star FM, a lot of radio stations were actually speaking on that. Aside that, krano newspapers be a true story no or so what happened? And I said, and then Obinim through the lawyer, and then some ababeto abontin say, send na Ghana for air can send say court or that Obinim say won konko tiana and yes anete. Now the Obinim lawyer air can and they say GR4 mo eye wo mo adwen se wo mo be call Obinim bankers ho eye Ecobank na wo mo akwaje se ka we ye friend tax liability na che se wo mo credit sorry wo mo debit if Obinim bank account mo e na Obinim mom e de asem no akokot se court and stop it GR into the lawyer na can say all the ruling that came through and they say their court justice Doreen what na so their work kan ya na say dabi say we no court ni they want to mean stop GRA into court and share say we bring him enkonkotia. So that's the difference in say and someone e was say yetiase any ruling no into obi nim lawyer say san asem nete asem ne de wo mo de akokot say nkrofo bi pese wo mo ye me bibi mesreme mpene na court say me de me ni hu nimdie bia mean to me en catch microphone say wo munja ya mo anamo munjai nanso Ghanaian media no report say court room and na order say wo bi nim konkotia or say dabi and yes net here but whichever way no however you understand it no asemo a wo bi nim lawyer what they abeto yenim ni I have the ruling in front of me. It is very very technical what tie in some mo bro for wo ka me read it through some into me anti as here ewa I don't want to even bore you with the ruling, but the yatse and say, Obinim and the lawyers no ayo mo adwen say they will go for an appeal. Na in something in an say, judge na watena asem so no. True Obinim lawyer no. Almost say asem no as na judge no want ase. Na eno no ruling nimu. And na say Obinim ruling na ba no, and Obinim lawyer kasa asem no. Now was it he is very displeased with the decision of the High Court. Na eno hunti wo appeal or court of appeal. Na wa appeal say court na ye dey asem no coin na say judge no want asem na say. De ye ba ho say ye be ye no judge no want ase yamba ho say ebia ye be ka say ye ba ho say ade ankrofo no pese wo mo ye no. Fact ni wo mo pese wo mo je tax every me ho. Enya se ma ye edwuma bi edwuma me ye ni nina na metua wo mo ho taxamo de entia wo mo pese wo mo je me tax no sa ade ne kra na me ye sofo asori na ehwe me ntuntu mi ntre me say o be je me tax because o tax wo bi a ye edwuma ne pako ne ye which is shops wo no obi nim oni no and I will provide proof addresses our shops na wo oni ni nina no we tua ho tax ewie nti afa ya den and I will sanso e be je ne tax bi say asem a wo bi nim e de e ba no nti no ensemo e da ho judge ne fe no Justice Miss Doreen Boachi Ejei now I think we actually have time so we can really go into the matter. See, the issues were whether or not the respondent has breached the rules of natural justice by refusing to make a determination on the applicant's tax objection, and whether or not this is an appropriate case for the court to exercise its powers of judicial review. Say assembly the two main issues no intino assembly there meaning a very omo kano brofo mu a very complicated but meaning say intrasia na mama mo no mo atiase ye dia inti obi nim ne de o de assembly court e na court e say da bi obi nim na nkeni kwansa wo de ba hakra because first ye issue notice MRO when fee second yes also issue notice MRO when fee deadline ne ba ya nkrofo ni movie ye ekọ o bankers ko se wo mo ko jisika na free bank account mo no afiansa wo de asem na ba ebegina court wo asem bia na ka de wo se wo ye first and say wo mo issue notice first notice ne ma wo no na nke ho na wa ma wo lawyer atra ma GR fo atra mo say ade ntia na mo better mo je tax say every me client ne ho but what hwe sanyama na went to me deadline wo mo ye say wo mo ekwaji sika na nsa wo ba ha nti asem no nti no asem ne de this one is very different from when I broke the news yesterday. I told you guys different from Oni Kennedy Japan when sensem no na we enye Kennedy Japan na wakwa akoye na ye be ye we say we assembly 2018 na esha say na wo bi nim yes about the assembly court na afiansa ruling aba because unim say assembly court enye sa dey na ruling eba enti afiansa ruling no aba ye ni na ye nya ruling ni bi etia coincidentally it is coinciding with when Kennedy Japan is fighting with Obinim and man krofu bebre almost say oh we there and Kennedy Japan na one man ye di Obinim akwa kojina court. No, that is not it intino asem no that's I mean that's all you need to know about this particular matter. I say the court in its 12 pages, the court ruling on the by 12 pages, and then me person me read it just a short thing. I say the evidence on record shows that the applicant was given adequate notice to respond to the issues raised in relation to his tax affairs. Nti asema judge na ekan no say evidence a ye de abetu ne nim na tre say ye ma wo bi ni memre say tax a ye pese wotie ni wo hwe na wo asem bi kan efa ho a bra ne yente na se ne yenka bo obi ni man kwanko hu omo nti na judge ne kan say the evidence on record shows that applicant was given adequate notice to respond to the issues raised in relation to his tax affairs. But see, exhibit shows that between a year 2017 and 2018, the applicant was served with 5 different letters relating to filing of tax returns an invitation to discuss the draft notice of assessment, but he failed to respond to the notices or invitation. Not just say, me na America. So, your man first notice second. No court scratch say your man 5 different notices between 2007 and 2008, between 2017 and 2018. Your man will be 5 notices. Say nini nano tax and same nini or asembia one bra no ni better na senka nini na will be didn't reply to judge ni ruling in a read the actual Obinim didn't reply to any of the notices. As a furthermore, the applicant failed or refused to take advantage of the law to lodge an objection to the tax assessment within the time provided by law. That just says at time now you're filing your case will be in tax the was tax liability no enu ni no Obinim end to me use that time no any law no anka said that be I am raising objection to this. What chairman brand twemu your movie you say when chia ni ye kwa kwaje if that's how it works. You want to say would you was a utia tax na your amount notice and then you don't reply or you don't pay umbe who say that be umbe say obetia. So what they will do and they said they will move to your bankers. You should say oh bank account Eco Banker or mobile fraud letter aqua command or bankers na say into was say mama meti sika ne free ne pakone account because ne pakone empese obeba betua yen so ye ya ban e was say ye sika no eto de ye into the judge na e kan no so within 2017 and 2018 no I say 4th January 2017 and ade na sha here to year 28 July 2018 it was within that space no ye ma Obinim 5 notices nini na nko wa assemby kan embra notices ne buy sa 5 notices ne buy within that period no nko betumi use law no within that time and he would have actually raised an objection but one year Inti judge no ruling our demand say the court cannot make any finding in favor of applicants because Obinim na dey assembly court say court enhwe assembly mu na yemma GR for send ya wo move akọ Obinim bank so mpese mu gisika no yenhwe ne stop yo mu ene na judge dey ka say the court cannot make a finding in favor of you Obinim na the rules of natural justice were breached. Someone one more air canon. I don't know. Send me the country no a lot of technical issues and no. But nini name no and no na media april. I hope that what's a semna see. Montreal comment box no more. But that's it.